Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating the organization and configuring core settings. This is the first actionable step. Create the org name, pick a plan, and add billing so features are active. Once done, invite 1 to 3 owners immediately and assign an admin role because governance must exist from the start. Make sure to set default repo visibility and basic member permissions, since those defaults shape every repo you create later, and they prevent accidental public leaks. Next, organize people and code by creating teams and repositories. This is the complex middle work. You define teams by function, grant least privilege access, and create repo templates to standardize settings. Then, enforce branch protections, require pull requests, and add required status checks so quality is enforced. Also, map teams to repositories rather than individuals, because that scales. Make sure to document naming conventions and permissions in a central place, so new repos adhere to the rules. Finish by locking down security and validating workflows. You want everything to work before onboarding more users. Enable SSO or MFA, configure fine-grained tokens and audit logging, then create a test repository to exercise CI, branch rules, and secrets. Once done, invite a small pilot group to confirm permissions and deployment paths. If something fails, check the audit logs and permission inheritance first. That usually reveals denied access or misconfigured team mappings, which are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.